let's go. And instead of saying, hey, once a week, and let's say we're meeting twice a week, and we're saying, hey, okay, on our Tuesday meeting, we're going to cover, the standards, which is, the risk issues and activity. On our Thursday or Friday meeting, we'll cover the same items, but we're going to freshen this up a little bit. Hey, how do you think we should be able to adjust the timeline of trying to do an innovative approach? What are some recommendations that you have? See, this gets people thinking instead of not being in a space where they're just doing the same thing, the same routine. And sometimes when you're doing the same routine and not switching it up, it just becomes mundane. It becomes one of those things like you're just there and it's like blah. And as a project manager, you're just sitting there like, oh my God, let me see what time is this meeting gonna end? Because we need to wrap this up because I'm getting tired. I might need to get a 5 hour energy drink or a C4 just to stay up because of the fact that it is boring. So family, let's make sure that we are making sure that the voices from our stakeholders are being heard